Good morning, dear students. Today, our topic is refraction of light. As you know, light always moves in a straight line. This phenomenon of light is known as rectilinear propagations of light. But when the light travels from one medium to the another medium, instead of going straight line, it is travel from the medium. It bends when it moves from one medium to the another medium. This phenomenon of bending of light is known as refraction of light. Now questions, why the light is bending? Let us explain in details. There are optically two medium. One is rarer medium, another is denser medium. When light moves from the rare to the denser medium, then angle of incident will be more and angle of refraction will be less. And when it moves from denser medium to rare medium, then angle of incident will be less and angle of refraction will be more. Now, what do you mean by rare medium and denser medium? There is no fixed rare and denser medium. It depends on which two mediums you are comparing. Suppose if you compare air and water, then air is a rare medium and water is a denser medium. But when you compare the water with the glass, then water is a liquid and glass is a solid. Here the water is a rare medium and glass is a denser medium. So it will be more clear when I explain you by drawing the diagram. Let us follow. See the diagram. There are two medium. This is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. This is the separation of the both the medium. Here a ray of incident in incidented, after that it is refracted. Then you see angle of incident is less than more than angle of refracted. Let us consider the rare medium is a air and the denser medium is a glass. So if we move from rarer medium to the denser medium, then instead of going straight line, it moves towards the normal. Now question, sir, why it moves towards the normal, or why the angle of refraction is less than angle of incident? Or on the other hand, you can tell angle of incident is more than angle of refraction. Why? As you know, in the vacuum, the speed of the light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. On the other hand, speed of the light in the speed of the light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Since the speed of the light is decreases in the glass compared to the air, that means the denser medium speed is decreases compared to the rarer medium. So angle of refraction is less than angle of incident. On the opposite of that, let us consider the second figure. This is the denser medium and this is the rare medium. So if a ray of light is incident from the denser medium and after refraction it will passes through the rare medium, then here angle of incident, and if we compare the angle of refraction, then angle of refraction will be more than angle of incident. So what do you conclude from today's discussion? Instead of going straight line, when light travel from one medium to the another medium, it's bending its path. This phenomenon of bending of the direction of the light is known as refraction of the light. When it moves from the rare to the denser medium, then after refraction the light moves towards the normal. On the other hand, if we move from denser to the rare medium, then after refraction it moves away from the normal. So, what do you conclude from today's discussion? The light always travels in a straight line, but when it moves from one medium to the another medium, instead of going straight line, it moves the direction. This phenomenon of light is known as reflection of light, and if it moves from the denser to the rare medium, then after reflection it moves away from the normal. On the other hand, if we move from rarer medium to the denser medium, after refraction it moves towards the normal. So today your homework is read the topics of refraction. Thank you.